2027 election, Obi don accept to become vice presidential candidate. Bwala, welcome country people to Senok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification button. E go give you alert once we drop update. Make you like, comment and share our video. One lawyer wey im name na Daniel Bwala, one of the presidential spokesperson, e don allege say Peter Obi don accept to become a vice presidential candidate for the 2027 election. E dey tok for one recent podcast interview, Seller Meditate. Bwala, the special adviser on media and public communications to President Bola Tinubu, e don predict say Obi go disappoint his strong supporters dem wey dem dey call obedient. Political analysts don express mixed reaction over the coalition drive and the prospect of opposition unity to achieve their agenda, while some experts dey see the coalition formation as a significant realignment for Nigerian politics. Others regard am as sheer exploratory talks wey lack ideological clarity beyond the anti-Tinubu sentiment. As e dey attack Obi, Bwala come talk, when people change party, Peter Obi abuse dem. E dey currently dey discuss on how to become vice presidential candidate. The obedience dey say the only reason dem dey support am na so that Peter Obi go be president of Nigeria. Anything short of that, dem no go gree. E don dey do meeting to become the vice presidential candidate and e don accept am.